How to remove page on Facebook. Hello everyone, and in this video I will tell you how to easily delete the page in the application Facebook. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the Facebook application and go to the menu section. Then click on the gear option in the top right corner and you go to the settings and privacy option. Next, click on the search bar and into delete and then select personal details. Then click on personal details again and you will be transferred to your personal data. Here you need to click on the line accounts control and then on the option deactivation or deletion. Then click on your selected account to delete, and immediately you will see two options: deactivate account and delete account. In our case you need the delete account option and we click on it. Next we need to choose any or certain reason to delete the account and click continue. Then scroll down and click on continue, and here you need to enter your password from your account. And now you need to confirm your actions by clicking on the delete account, and then your page will be deleted. That's it. Thank you for watching.